Before we get started, a little reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. It will motivate us. Without wasting your time, let's move towards the video. In this video, we are going to learn about business models of e-commerce. E-commerce business model can be generally categorized into following categories. Business to business, B2B. Business to customer, B2C. Consumer to consumer, C2C. Consumer to business, C2B. Business to government, B2G. Government to business, G2B. Government to citizen, G2C. Business to business. A website following the business to business model sells its products to the intermediate buyer who then sells the product to the final customer. As an example, a wholesaler places an order from company's website and after receiving the consignment sells the end product to the final customer who comes to buy the product at one of its real outlets, as you can see in the given diagram. Business to consumers. A website following the B2C business model sells its product directly to the customer. A customer can view the product shown on the website. The customer can choose a product and order the same. The website will then send a notification to the business organization via email, and organization will dispatch the product goods to the customer, as you can see in the given diagram of. Now, what are the consumer to consumer? A website following the C2C business model helps consumer to sell their assets like residential property, cars, motorcycle, etc., or rent a room by publishing their information on the website. Website may or may not charge the consumer for its services. Another consumer may opt to buy the product of the first customer by viewing the post advertisement on the website, as you can see in the given diagram. Next phase is consumer to business. In this model, a consumer approaches a website showing multiple business organizations for a particular services. The consumer places an estimate of amount he or she wants to spend for a particular services. For example, the comparison of interest rate of personal loan, car loan provided by various banks via website. A business organization who fulfills the consumer's requirement within the specified budget approaches the customer and provides its services. As you can see in the diagram, business to government. B2G model is a variant of B2B model. Such websites are used by governments to trade and exchange information with various business organizations. Such websites are accredited by the government and provide a medium to business to submit application forms to the government. Business organization to website, website to government. Government to business. Government use B2G model websites to approach business organization. Such websites support auctions, tenders, and application submission functionalities. In this diagram, you can see government to website, website to business organization. Government to citizens. Governments use G2C model website to approach citizens in general. Such websites support auctions of vehicle, machinery, or any other material. Such website also provides services like registrations for both marriages or death certificates. The main objective of G2C website is to reduce the average time for fulfilling citizen requests for various government services. As you can see in the given diagram, that government to website and website to citizen.